know, only 2 days left in Diwali, so I am here with Diwali Cards. Watch this video till then. Don't forget to hit the like button and comments below. And do subscribe me at Aishmin Diya my channel. Hello my dear Vedics. If you are new here, I am Aishmin and welcome to my channel Aishmin DIY. Now let's get started. The first one is the Diya and Kandil card. The list of the material is given in the description box. I upload one video every Friday at 5 PM. Don't miss that. Stunning. If you like this, then do hit the like button and comments below. Hashtag number 1. The second one is the Diya and Kandil card. like button and comments below hashtag number 2. Do subscribe me at Aishmin DIY my channel and hit the bell button. Don't forget to comment below if you like this video or not. The question of the day is which card you like the most. Do comments. Keep watching, keep sharing. Bye bye. Take care. Live your dreams.